Hi everyone, my name is Jalen Cook, and I am currently in my fourth year teaching at a small school called Texaco High School in Texaco, New Mexico. Funny to say that you're from there. I got asked several times if I grew up in a gas station. So I grew up in Texaco and I actually returned back there to continue teaching. I am currently teaching Algebra 1 and 8th grade math, and I'm coaching three sports. So I'm coaching volleyball, basketball, and track, and it's definitely busy, which makes the school year go by really fast. Um, my husband and I are also expecting our first baby in May, so I am really hoping that the baby holds off and doesn't come early as we're trying to finish up this class, but we're excited about that also. One of the biggest challenges in my role as an educator is the fact that we are a really small district. So even though there are other math teachers in my district, I am it as far as I'm the only algebra teacher, I'm the only eighth grade teacher. So there's not a whole lot of collaboration that can happen. Whenever I feel like I need to ask somebody a question about what I should do with my content, it's generally just me. So I did teach at a school that was a little bit bigger before I moved over to Texaco, and I still have connections there. And it's also really helped me to be part of this learning community, to share ideas with you guys and bounce ideas off. And I feel like I've really helped my school district by bringing in some of the ideas that I've learned through my program, through my master's program, and taking those ideas back to my district. As far as my future plans, I really am happy where I am. I love teaching math. I love the kids that I get to work with and coach. As far as what our district does with technology, there's really not a lot of guidance. They really thought that whenever I told them what my master's would be in, my administration thought that I was going to be more involved in the actual, like, putting together technology, fixing computers. If somebody has a tech issue, being able to fix it. And that's really not what this is about at all. So I hope to be able to help students learn how to use technology and help other teachers learn how to use technology. But I never want to take over that role as the tech guy to go fix everything, because I am not savvy whenever it comes to that. But I do hope to learn more and continue to use these resources that we've been given to continue building my knowledge of incorporating technology into the classroom. I look forward to working this last semester with you guys. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you soon.